Good evening, and a very warm welcome to one and all for the eighth episode of the webinar series of Cadet Diaries presented to you by XPA Cadet Program. This series focuses on personality development, employability skills, creative thinking, and leadership and soft skills, essential in any career path you would like to opt. Thank you, cadets and students who have joined from various handles like Facebook, Instagram, and I think even on the air meet. I would like to welcome you again. For the ones who have logged in through the air meet, you can post your questions to the speakers in the question bank. You can move your questions from the chat box to the question bank so that at the later part of the session, we will get back to you on the questions and we will answer, or our speakers will answer your questions. Tonight, I invite you to join us on the journey of discovering how you could become a next entrepreneur. Rather, dream of becoming an entrepreneur. So live your dreams. आज हम बात करते हैं कि कैसे आप अपने कंपनी को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं या आप अपने अपने कंपनी का बॉस कैसे बन सकते हैं, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर का माइंडसेट क्या होगा, और अगर आप अपना टीम बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन गेट एक्सपर्ट्स एडवाइस हियर. We have very accomplished speakers on. I'm Pallavi Ramesh. I'm an ex-NCC Airwing cadet. I have also been to RDC. I have been a cadet trainer for the past 2 years. I'm an entrepreneur in the hospitality industry. आज हमारे साथ है very accomplished speakers, Mrs. Vana Kurapati and Mr. Dhirendra, whom we also call him as Drin. Vana is a young entrepreneur and a marketing enthusiast. He works with the companies in the US, India, and Australia to scale their businesses. She's also running a trust by name DSF with her friends and family. She has helped underprivileged people to get the access, better access for the health and the education services. She's also a part of RSV, which is an NGO. She renders help to the families of the farmers, which is excellent. Farmers for the morale and financial support. She's also nominated as a part of the Iron Lady management, where she worked for a couple of years. Moving on to our next speaker, Mr. Dhirendra, who is popularly known as Drin. He is the founder CEO of Adequity Career Technologies, which is a human resource assessment and development services company headquartered in Bangalore. He started his entrepreneurial life at a very young age of 10 years. He had set up a library of his own at the 10th grade, and it grew up to 2,000 comics and 200 books. And he has about 38 years of multifunctional experience in various capacities. He has been a serial entrepreneur and has built Adequity to become one of the largest assessment companies in India. Last but not the least, he is also the national president of ICFA India, which is the parent body of cadet program. तो अब मैं अपने आप के बारे में, how I started my journey towards becoming an entrepreneur, I would like to share with you all. मैंने अपने सफर शुरू करने से पहले मैं ये सोच रही थी कि कैसे स्टार्ट करूंगी, क्या मैं एक बिजनेस वुमन बनूंगी कि एंटरप्रेन्योर बनूंगी. Then I did a little bit of research. Who is a businessman? What is the difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman? Then I realized a businessman is one who starts a business from the existing ideas. Rather, he takes it from his father, his parents, or something like that. And he follows a traditional pattern, stays safe. He wants to be profit-oriented, and he's a very good market player. Whereas an entrepreneur starts a business from his own unique ideas. He wants to be different from the market. So he's innovative and revolutionary. He thinks out of the box. He's a risk taker and works under uncertainty for achieving his goals. He converts every situation into an opportunity, which is wonderful, isn't it? For example, even a chaotic situation like and now what we're facing is because of the COVID-19. We have seen that every entrepreneur thinks differently, and he takes this opportunity to convert this idea into financially successful products and also services. He's customer-oriented. Most importantly, he is a market player. He readily accepts challenges and failures. So with this understanding, I would like to ask our young entrepreneur here, Ms. Vana, क्या है एक entrepreneur का mindset? आप क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में?
Yeah, that's a good question to start with, Pallavi. Before answering like what mindset exactly is, let's discuss about what entrepreneurship is all about. So, as you discussed, like entrepreneurship starts with like identifying a problem and solving it for many others. So, for example, I identify a day-to-day problem that I face, so and I solve it for myself, and then I solve it for many others. So, for example, I would like to pick an example of Quick Heal Technologies, which is an Indian first antivirus company. Its founder, Kailash Katkar, is from Pune. He started as a computer service repair person. So those were the days when virus was newly introduced to the computers. So he identified a problem his clients were facing with the virus. So though he is also new, but he identified and he tried to come up with a solution with antivirus software, which stops virus coming into the systems. So here he identified the problem and solved it for his clients, and then he solved it for many others. So today it's one of the first Indian company with 282 crores of revenue and 200 employees. So that's how his journey started, by identifying a problem. So let's take another very well-known example, Reliance Industries. So Reliance identified a problem that many rural population couldn't afford a mobile handset. So they come up with a solution by providing affordable handsets, where now all of us has mobile handsets, right? We could afford it. And then they identified the problem that internet has become expensive for people. So they come up with very affordable prices with internet packages and all. And now all of us have internet on our mobile handsets. So yeah, from these two examples, what I would like to say is, what we can conclude is, mindset is all about identifying the problem first and then solving it for many others, growing from there. So most important thing is, we need to be curious about our surroundings, like what people are facing issues. So what are their problems? So how I can solve it, or how you can solve it. So once you solve for one person, you can solve for many others. So entrepreneurship mindset is all about identifying the problem and be curious about your surroundings to know what problem is, and solve that problem and solve for many others. So, for example, we go to local kirana stores every day, right? But not right now, but at least before Corona crisis, we used to go to the local kirana stores. So there we can see like what problem they might be facing, the local kirana guy. So he might be facing a problem with accounts. So we can solve that problem. So could be anything. So based upon our current skills, so we can identify some solution for that account problem. If we are able to solve that problem for that guy, we can solve for many other people. So that's how we will identify the problem and grow from there. So I believe this is the mindset of an entrepreneur, just repeating these three things: identifying problem, being curious about what's happening in your surroundings, and then solve it, and then grow from there. So Pallavi, a small question for you. Like, you're also an entrepreneur. So what do you think is really mindset important for an entrepreneur?
It's very important, as you said, Vana. I agree with you, because mindset plays a key role, as because unless you have a mindset that you're going to win over your problems, and with a positive, optimistic mindset, I don't think we can win anything. So it's very important that we keep in mind that we have to be optimistic and also follow and become the best and we can actually roll down the situation. Okay, what is the best? So we have a question for you from the registrations. What is the best quality you think an entrepreneur should have?
So I believe, yeah.
And sorry to interrupt. From the survey, we have got that majority of the participants have voted for passion and creative thinking as it has topped the survey. So what is your
Oh,
thought on that?
definitely. Passion is the first best quality to have. So you need to identify whether you really have that passion. Because if you don't have that passion, so maybe it's not necessary you need to be an entrepreneur. But if you think like, I have this passion and I can do it, so definitely you can try that. And another best quality that I feel is like discipline. So I'm sure our audience are from NCC and all. So definitely this is the best quality they have. So discipline is the most important thing for any entrepreneur. So you need to stick to your schedule. You need to do the same routine every day and learn from that. And also the next best quality is so learn and identify the problems. So you need to keep learning from everything you find. So like being curious about your surroundings. So you learn from it and you identify the problem and you solve it from there. And other thing is like get back from the failures or get back from the setbacks as soon as possible. Is Pallavi there or do we lost her?
No, no, Pallavi is there. She is contemplating on your thoughts.
Yes, yes.
Are you able to hear me? Yeah, so I would also like to summarize what Vana said. Like, yes, a problem solving mindset, growth, and learning mindset is very important. And also, you need to exhibit a leadership quality, come out of the failures as quickly as possible. I think that is one of the key aspects of becoming an entrepreneur. I totally agree with
Right.
you, Vana. Thank you so much for your valuable insights. So, audience, we will be posting you a poll question. Kindly put on your survey. So, we will take this question to Mr. Drin. Drin, we have the poll question for you. We had a question on the poll saying that is it important? It is very important. Is it important to have investment or a capital to become an entrepreneur? So, what is your say about it? We have our results saying almost 86% have said that yes, investment is important to have to become an entrepreneur. What do you say, Dren?
Jai Hind and good evening to all my colleagues across the country. This is a very, very interesting webinar that we're doing for all. I've been, I can say that, entrepreneurship in my life came very early. I was very inquisitive to do many things at a very young age. And really that was the foundation for my future years. Without realizing, I was drawn to entrepreneurship. So since you brought up this whole thing about investment, the biggest investment that individuals need to have is the passion and self-belief to start whatever ideas they have, whatever idea it can be. I mean, in the world of entrepreneurship, you can sell anything and everything, but you must have the confidence. आप में वो आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए, आत्मनिर्भर होना चाहिए कि आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो अपने जिंदगी में. और अगर ये है तो इन्वेस्टमेंट, जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि दैट आपको पैसे चाहिए इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए, मैंने जितने भी अपने कंपनीज शुरू किया, एक रुपए के साथ भी नहीं शुरू किया. मेरा जो पहला वेंचर था, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय फर्स्ट वेंचर एज अ किड, आई जस्ट द investments I had were a few comics and a few books. But then I realized that if I can rent these comics and books to my friends, the money I make out of that, I keep reinvesting and I keep rebuilding and innovating. तो ये सबसे बड़ा मतलब क्वालिटी होना चाहिए कि एंटरप्रेन्योर्स में, कि वो सोच से अलग हो. वो अपने सोच, ये इसमें कोई रूल्स नहीं है, ना कोई इसमें एक पाथ है. ये सब अपने अंदर जो आपकी ख्यालात हैं, आप जैसे सोचते हैं, तो उसको आप कैसे आगे बढ़ाएंगे, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. हाँ, जरूर जैसे आप आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे तो इन्वेस्टमेंट तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, पर मेन थिंग आपको फोकस करना है पहले कि मेरे में वो शक्ति है, अंदरूनी शक्ति. डू आई हैव दैट इनर सिन? एंटरप्रेन्योर का नाम क्या है? How does the word entrepreneur come? Entrepreneur, that is inner motivation. जब तक, it is actually a very Sanskrit word, inner motivation, कि entrepreneur is a inner motivation. जब तक वो नहीं आएगा आप में, आपके पास करोड़ों रुपए हो सकता है, आपके पास सब कुछ हो सकता है, you will not be successful. So the key investments is yourself. The key investment is your self-belief, your faith. You will have ups and downs. आगे पीछे रहते ही होंगे, पर आपको, you're not supposed to give up. Because if you give up, and that is why for every very successful entrepreneur that we see, there are thousands and thousands that who have tried, but somewhere along the line, they gave up.
Very well said, sir. It is entrepreneurship, as you said, is self-belief, and you believe in yourself, be confident, and that's how you become a leader. I think a leadership quality also is hidden in it. Very well said, sir.
So you have to be a follower of yourself.
Yes, sir.
Leadership comes within that. First, I must lead by example. So if I don't lead by example, how will I get others to follow me?
Believe you. That's right.
That's right.
Agreed, sir. Very well said. Now, Dren, I would like to ask a question that was posted again in the registration forms. It was saying, what about entrepreneurship scares you the most? What is that? सब क्यों डरते हैं? मैं entrepreneur बनना चाहता हूँ तो क्यों डरते हैं कि अरे नहीं करना है? I mean, it's going to be difficult. What is that scares most of them? So the survey results say that 53% of them said it is inexperience. Inexperience is the key thing which scares everybody, that entrepreneur बनने से बहुत डराता है. And it's too much risk. 18% said it's too much risk. So what is your say? आपको तो बहुत experience है इस मामले में. आप बताइए सर.
मैं तो एक ही चीज बोल सकता हूँ कि मैं कभी किसी के लिए काम नहीं किया, तो इनएक्सपीरियंस मुझे, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड इनएक्सपीरियंस. ये अपने आप ही एक्सपीरियंस बनता है. इसमें क्या है कि दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. सो देयर आर सम टाइप ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हु बिलीव कि दे शुड वर्क, कि किसी के लिए काम करे. अगर आप उनके लिए काम करोगे तो आपको उस जो आपको वहां से एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा वो आप किसी मतलब आइडिया पे यूज करे. दूसरे लोग होते हैं कि भाई कहते हैं कि नहीं मुझे तो ये आइडिया है, मैं इसको आगे बढ़ाऊंगा, जैसे भी है मैं धक्के मार के इसको आगे ले जाऊंगा. So people have different ways of looking at things. But again, I will tell one thing, that what people most are scared is of failure. And the failure actually is not about what society thinks of you. It is about the failure that you think about yourself. Oh, अगर मैं ये करूंगा तो अगर बाई चांस मैं इस पे सफल ना हूं तो मुझे what will happen? सब लोग मेरे ऊपर हंसेंगे, मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स मेरे ऊपर हंसेंगे, my friends laugh at me, and I would have become a we failure. Especially in the Indian context, जो हमारा Indian context है कि हम बहुत डरे हुए लोग हैं. हम में वो शक्ति नहीं है, इनर शक्ति, कि भाई हमको आगे बढ़ने के लिए failure is important. There was this king, I think you know that story. I think it was King Porus, who was fighting to to invade India, and he kept on trying. And once he was driven, and he was hiding in a cave. And he was hiding in the cave. What happened was that he saw this spider crawling up and continuously falling, and it was trying to build its web. The spider was trying to build its web. वो spider वहां अपना वो जाल बना रहा था, पर he saw it falling. It kept climbing, falling, climbing, and finally the spider built the web. तो उसको भी शक्ति आ गया कि भाई अगर ये कर सकता है, एक मकोड़ा कर सकता है, तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता हूं. And then he came and conquered India. I think it's either Porus or Alexander, one of them. History थोड़ा सा. But my point is, इस फेलियर में, इस आगे बढ़ने के लिए फेलियर तो है. They say dare to dream and fail also. If you don't fail, failure is the biggest lesson for you. तो जब तक आप फेल नहीं करेंगे, आप सीखोगे नहीं.
Correct. So you can also say every failure you can make it as a stepping stone to success. I think
you must have that inner strength to use it to your benefit.
That's right, sir. So like when everything goes wrong against you, we should remember one thing, that the aeroplane takes off against the wind and not with the wind. So maybe that could be a better quote along, as you said, sir. Thank you so much for throwing light on these areas. Thank you, sir. Now, Vana, I would like to ask you one of the questions which has been posted by many of our participants. You being a young entrepreneur in 30s, do you think women can be a successful entrepreneur? What is your take on that?
Yeah, definitely. So here, I mean, there are two women entrepreneurs here. So definitely, women can be a successful entrepreneur. So there are different institutes as well who are coming forward and helping women entrepreneurs, supporting them. So there are
For
institutes.
the women.
Yeah, we have Niti Aayog. So they train women entrepreneurs and they don't take anything. So it's for free. So they support women entrepreneurs and they help them to build a business plan and all. It doesn't mean that women need support. Everybody needs support and everybody needs some guidance to be a successful entrepreneurs. And in our India, there are many examples of for successful women and entrepreneurs. So let's take your story, Shraddha Sharma. She is one of the successful women entrepreneur. So there are several other examples for women entrepreneurship. But having said that, there are challenges for women entrepreneurs as well. So at the same time, men also has their own challenges. But for women, being a woman, there is a small prejudice in the society that women are intellectually or physically lower compared to men. But yeah, having said that, personally, what I feel is women are very intellectual and they can communicate very well compared to men. So yeah, it takes. I mean, both has their own hardships and they need to put their hard work. Definitely, women can be a successful entrepreneur. So, what do you think, Pallavi? You are a woman entrepreneur, right? So,
Yes,
what hardships you being
I
a woman
started my career a little late. I was busy in, traveling and being, at home and taking care of my children. But then at one point of time, I felt, yes, I can become an entrepreneur. So I just thought and just, implemented. As I said, I also came out with a new idea of becoming an entrepreneur. I stepped into hospitality. When I
entrepreneur?
stepped in, I never thought that, yes, whatever I'm venturing into will be a success. But then, yes, it was a wonderful, way of getting into the business. And yes, I enjoyed the journey though.
Yeah.
Anything else you would like to add? Like anybody whom you've seen as a successful out of the box ideas which they have implemented that have been successful?
Yeah.
Like,
So I'm not boosting myself, so I can take my example being a
yes,
woman entrepreneur.
that's right.
Yeah, so I mean, it's really a very learning good experience for me being a woman entrepreneur, and I see many people come forward to support initially. So to take like successful entrepreneurs, as I said, Shraddha Sharma, she is the founder of Your Story. So here she identified a problem that people doesn't have a platform to read inspiring stories about business. So she came up with a solution by providing that platform, and many entrepreneurs are getting inspired by the stories she is providing, and it's a very good platform for businesses also to showcase their services or products on her platform. So she's one of the successful women entrepreneur, and I mean all the business industry is really proud of her for bringing such kind of platform. And another person is Falguni Nair. She is the founder of Nykaa. So it's a very big e-commerce platform, uh, yeah, for fashion and all. So she successfully has launched 1,500 brands on her platform. So yeah, she's one of the inspiring women entrepreneur in India. I'm really proud of these two people. So I follow them
Very
very
proud of you too.
Thank you. You too. Yeah.
So, so last, I mean, I would like to go back to Drin again. Drin, what are the myths you think an entrepreneur is always having? Myths of being an entrepreneur. आपको क्या लगता है?
It's a very strange question because myth is mythology. I mean, the point is entrepreneurship is a reality. It's a everyday kind of an adventure. Now, the moment you start, ideating on what you want to do, then you get more and more focused to make that idea that you can bring it to the market. आप इसको आगे कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं? तो जबकि मिथ्स हैं कि भाई अरे ये बहुत ही मुश्किल है, अरे आइडिया नहीं हो पाएगा, अरे पैसे कहाँ से लेके आऊं, मैं टीम कैसे डेवलप करूं, हाउ डू आई डेवलप अ टीम, इसको मार्केटिंग कैसे करूं, इसका कंपनी कैसे बनाऊं. So all these things is a part of it. आप जो काम करेंगे उसमें तो there is work, hard work. पर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में एक ही बात है कि यू आर वर्किंग फॉर योरसेल्फ, working for others, and the greatest thing that you're doing is that you're creating a new paradigm, a new dimension. अगर आप stories लेंगे of different people, and there are so many entrepreneurs, Captain Gopinath, in fact, it's a very interesting story. I must tell you this. Captain Gopinath, is from the armed forces, and he finished his SSB, and then he decided, that he wants to start an airline. तो कैप्टन गोपीनाथ जी, हम एक मीटिंग में बैठे थे, मतलब घर पे डिनर पे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि ड्रिन गिव मी एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ मनी। तो मैंने कहा क्यों चाहिए पैसे? कहता है कि नहीं, मुझे एयरलाइन शुरू करना है। तो लोग हंसना शुरू कर लिए, वी ऑल स्टार्टेड लाफिंग, यू एंड आई सेड दिस वेरी आई वुड से ओल्ड फैशन कमेंट कि भाई आप लोग तो आर्मी वाले जो बाहर से निकलते हो, आप तो सिक्योरिटी काम के लिए फिट हो, कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे?
ओके,
सो ये मिथ जो आप कह रहे हैं ना कि ये भाई इट इज वेरी समथिंग यू कांट डू, और यू कैन टेक द क्रेजीएस्ट आइडिया, जितना भी आपका मतलब क्रेजी आइडिया हो, आप उसको लेके आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। एक मैंने आपको एक और दूंगा, देयर इज अ गाय इन द यूएस, और उसका आइडिया इतना क्रेजी है कि वो पत्थरों को, रॉक्स, he created names for rocks, like this is my happy rock, my sad rock, my lovable rock, और नए स्टोन्स को उसने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह उसको पैक करके, अच्छे डिजाइन बॉक्सेस में पैक करके उसको बेचना शुरू किया। तो रॉक का कितना प्राइस था? व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द रॉक? इट इज फ्री, you just go to some desert and pick up rocks, and you start giving it a thought.
No, it's
But
investment.
see, his thinking was so beautiful कि भाई he said that rocks don't talk back to you. तो अगर आप रॉक के साथ बात करोगे तो you will feel better, you will feel happy, and people started buying those rocks, and he became a crorepati from nothing. So like that बहुत सारे stories है, आपको तो मैं पूरा रात सुनाते रहूंगा, मैं थक नहीं जाऊंगा।
That is true, sir. Like, I think, as you said, when the world is burying their head in the sand of depression, entrepreneurs have an excellent idea to come out of how to be innovative and creative. I think
Entrepreneurs, see, even in this time,
yes, sir.
many entrepreneurs will, most people who are employed will say, "Arey, I will not get salary now. I will, what will happen to my job? I'm going to lose my job. Everything is going wrong. How will I feed?" Entrepreneurs have to feed hundreds and thousands of families. My own company, I feed 250. But I say, "Arey yaar, koi naya opportunity nikal aayega." You have to motivate the teams who are sitting at home depressed, not watching TV. So all these things it's a journey, and when you do this, you feel a sense of elation कि भाई against when the, like they say, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. ये एक बहुत ही रोमांचक जर्नी है, बहुत मजा आता है। आपके उसमें माइंड में होना चाहिए कि भाई I want to enjoy this, and you can't get a better life than as an entrepreneur.
Agreed, sir. Totally agreed with you. And I think we all understand your thoughts. And I'm sure the audience are loving this discussion happening today. Last, sir, I would not say this would be the last, but yes, to the session, my side made the last. Like, since we are audience and most of them are the NCC cadets. NCC cadets, how can they become a confident entrepreneur, sir? What is your take on that?
Who are you asking?
I'm asking you, Drin. I'm sorry.
NCC cadets, जैसे पहले भी I think Vana mentioned that the NCC cadets are trained to be first disciplined. और entrepreneurship में आपको बहुत discipline चाहिए। आपको जब तक वो discipline नहीं है, आप entrepreneur नहीं बन सकते हैं। Entrepreneurs like NCC cadets who are there, they can first they need to think कि what is the idea, मेरे पास क्या idea कि मैं इसको आगे ले आऊं। If you don't want to risk it, अगर आप risk नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, तो आप किसी के लिए काम कीजिए पहले 4-5 साल, 10 साल, depends on how what. And if your final goal is कि मुझे entrepreneur बनना है, कि मुझे एक मुझे कुछ डिफरेंटली करना है, एंड देयर विल बी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ आइडियाज, देयर इट इज नेवर टू लेट। आप जो भी आइडियाज देखेंगे, 20 साल पहले गूगल नहीं था, फेसबुक नहीं था, ट्विटर नहीं था, यूट्यूब नहीं था, नो social media was there. Today they are the world's most valuable companies, started by people in their garages, मतलब अपने गराज में शुरू किया इन्होंने और इनको बनाया। तो the first thing is be focused, be disciplined. I believe for any entrepreneur to succeed well in life, you must have a guruji. If you have a guru like you have in your school, then that mentor whom you believe in, that mentor or guide will help you, bring your ideas to fruition. And like this, there are so many people. There's one gentleman who I admire hugely. He's a person who's based in Pune. His name is Parag Shah. Parag bhai, when I met him about almost 15 years back, he told me, "Ki Drin, I want to build a liberal arts university." Liberal arts in this country was not thought about. We have a very straight-jacketed. आप सब जो students हैं, आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं engineering में हूँ, मैं science कर रहा हूँ, मैं arts, commerce. I cannot change my stream. Those who have attended the first seminar that we did, you will remember that. तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ। मैंने कहा बहुत ही बढ़िया, क्योंकि there was no liberal arts college or university that time in the country. He said one more thing which got me even more crazy. उन्होंने कहा कि मैं एक golf course भी शुरू कर रहा हूँ। मैं कहा वाह, golf course आप तो ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं सर, ये हो नहीं पाएगा. It is very difficult, impossible for you to build golf course and all. He said, I want to build golf course because golf teaches you about life. He had a very long vision, very big vision. देखते हैं, as usual, I thought I know everything in life कि मैं तो बहुत ही पहुंचा हुआ आदमी हूँ. तो 2 साल के बाद उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया कि कहा भाई ड्रिन अभी वो शुरू हो गया. मैंने कहा अच्छा, यूनिवर्सिटी तो कोई भी बना सकता है, एनीबडी कैन मेक अ यूनिवर्सिटी. कहता है मैंने गोल्फ कोर्स भी रेडी कर दिया, आप आके आइए देखिए. सो मिस्टर पराग शाह टुडे रन्स an entrepreneur developmental program. His company is called Midas. Anybody go check up on the website. He picks up individuals who got crazy ideas, mentors them, helps them, and takes them forward. So in this whole journey, you must start writing down. आप लिख लीजिए कि आपको क्या क्या करना है. What do you want to do? When you start writing down, today itself I posted somewhere that writing is the greatest creative, critical thinking ability and approach to discipline yourself. जब आप write करोगे तो आप अपने आप को commit कर रहे हो कि मैं ये काम कर रहा हूँ, I will do this. When you read what you have written, again it will change. Again it will give you more ideas. So this diary की आप जो maintain करेंगे, आपको अपने सफर पे बहुत ही helpful hoga, and you can always reflect back and see what mistakes you're making and what you should do as you move forward.
Fantastic insights, Drin. I'm sure our viewers are getting the best of what they could get anywhere else, I think. And I'm sure now I would also like to assert my viewers that जैसे मैंने पहले भी आपसे कहा था कि आप अगर एयरमीट में लॉगिन किए हो तो आपको अपने क्वेश्चंस को चैट बॉक्स से निकाल के आप क्वेश्चन बैंक में डाल दीजिए. अभी हम आपका क्वेश्चंस लेंगे, और अगर आप फेसबुक लाइव में हो तो आप भी लाइव आ सकते हैं. So kindly put on your questions and you can ask our viewers whatever you wish to like. Okay. So I would like to take a live question. I would like to take a question from our viewers. So Josna Priya is questioning to Vana. The question here, she says, which is the best sector to choose for girls?
Okay, that's a good question, Joshna. So it depends upon your interest first. So identify what you really interest and who you are, like what skills you have and from which background you are. So based on that, see what problems you can solve. So right now, world is at your fingertips. So if you ask me, I choose digital marketing because I am from marketing background. and I felt digital marketing has very good scope in the future, and it is easy to start with zero investment, in fact. So I chose it, and right now I started with one client initially, and right now I'm serving 50 clients. The same way, identify from which background you are, what your studies are, and see what problems and challenges you can solve. So start with what you know. So then you can identify whether you really love it, and from there you can take it from there. Yeah.
That's a nice answer. Now, Lucky Reddy is having a question to Drin. How to raise our thoughts and ideas from the basic if we don't have any ideas but much of wishes to do something?
Lucky Reddy, you're very lucky. Put that into your thought first, क्योंकि आपका नाम ही Lucky है. So when you have a name like Lucky, you've got to just keep focusing in one sense that if you don't have any ideas, you start brainstorming. आप अपने family members के साथ या with your friends, with people whom you believe and trust, with, like I said, have a Guruji mentor, start brainstorming on various ideas. And like Vana and Pallavi have already told you earlier, the big thing about entrepreneurship is it has to come from you. जब तक अंदर से नहीं आएगा कि आपको क्या करना है, if I give you an idea, it will not work. अगर मैं आपको कहूंगा कि भाई make dog food, उसका market बहुत बड़ा है. There is a big market for dog food. I'm not joking. I'm telling you this. My point I'm trying to make is, are you interested in making dog food? You may not be interested. तो आपको ये सोचना है कि मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है और इसको मैं अगर आगे बढ़ाऊं तो कैसे करना है. तो इसके लिए पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू आइडिएट राइट. अपने आप पहले लिखो, उसका पूरा नुक्स निकालो, टेक आउट द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, व्हाट इज गुड, व्हाट इज बैड, देन डिस्कस विद अदर्स, then figure out how you're going to do about it. This is once the flow starts, आप अपने आप ही लग जाओगे. Entrepreneurs don't sleep. Entrepreneurs सोते नहीं है. Entrepreneurs 24/7 365 days a year काम करते हैं. और आजकल के जमाने में जो कोविड चल रहा है, वो भी आपको वो 2 मिनट का भी रेस्ट नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि either somebody is calling you or you're in webinars and doing all kinds of things. तो इसके लिए आप रेडी हो जाइए अगर आप अपने ये जर्नी पर आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं. If you want to move forward on that.
That's a wonderful way of answering, Drin. I have another question to Vana. Mukesh asked this question. Is it necessary for a budding entrepreneur to approach incubators?
Yeah, that's a wonderful question, Mukesh. So initially, I feel like it is not necessary. So first, what you have to do is you need to ideate your idea. Like you need to understand whether your idea is having real customers or not. So try to identify what exactly you are trying to solve. So once you identify the problem, understand what you are trying to solve it. So understand whether people really like that solution. So you can try it with your family members, or you can try it with your friends, or you can try it from anyone from your community first. So if you see people are really interested and they are ready to pay for you, so then you can go to incubators. So incubators are someone like who puts into your idea, who when they feel like it really had some market value. Unless it doesn't have a market value, they really don't come forward. So, but once it really has a market value, if you go to incubators, it will add a lot of value for your business and also for your career. So you'll get very good mentorship from them, and you'll get some finance backup, everything. So, but before going to them, so please spend some time. So it could be 3 months, 6 months, or 10 months. So spend a very good amount of time on your idea and see whether it is working or not. And most important thing, people are ready to pay for it or not. So once you get real customers, maybe initial 5-10 customers, then you are ready to go to incubators. Yeah.
Thank you, Baba. Drin sir, आपके लिए एक question है. Being as an entrepreneur, what are the difficulties usually we face?
Is this a philosophical question or is it? See, the entrepreneurs, you see, again, I will give you the वेरी अगेन ओब्लिक आंसर टू दिस, मैं आपको सीधा जवाब नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि ये डिफिकल्टीज अगर आप देखना शुरू करेंगे तो आप एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं बन सकते हैं। अगर आपको पहाड़ आगे दिखाई देगा और आप कैसे, आपको, आप देख रहे हैं वो मेरे सामने पहाड़ है, एंड दिस इज अ माउंटेन दैट इज इंपीडिंग मी, बट सेइंग इफ आई क्लाइंब द माउंटेन आई कैन सी द वर्ल्ड अराउंड मी, आई कैन सी द एंटायर यूनिवर्स अराउंड मी। इट इज द वे यू लुक एट, यू नो, दैट इज द परसेप्शन दैट यू हैव। वो आपका जो दृष्टि है, ये दृष्टि इज द मेन थिंग इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। जो आपका विजन है, जो आप देखते हैं कि आप इसको कैसे आगे बढ़ाना है, that is the difficult challenging parts first, which is within you। पहले आप उसको सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे तो दूसरे जो मुश्किलात हैं जो एंटरप्रेन्योर का होता है, जो एनी एंटरप्रेन्योर का होता है कि भाई इसको मैं टीम कैसे बनाऊं, हाउ डू आई मेक अ टीम, how do I create a team, how do I raise finances, how do I, you know, productize it, अपने आइडिया को, इसको एक प्रोडक्ट है या एक सर्विस है, इसको मैं कैसे प्रेजेंट करूं, उसका मार्केटिंग कैसे करूं, उसका फाइनेंस कंट्रोल कैसे, दीज आर पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी। पर पहले आप अपने मन में, इन योर माइंड, आई एम टेलिंग ऑल माय यंग फ्रेंड्स दैट इन योर माइंड यू शुड बी क्लियर कि भाई मैं इस आगे बढ़ रहा हूं, इस पाथ पे, सफर पे, कि मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूं। मुझे अभी ऑलमोस्ट 50 साल हो गए ये करते हुए, पर आई लव इट। मुझे हर रोज एक नया आइडिया आ जाता है। मेरे पास लोग नहीं है, मैं तो बहुत सारे आइडियाज दे सकता हूं, बट इट शुड कम फ्रॉम यू। व्हेन यू डू समथिंग विद इन योर, फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ, देन यू विल गिव इट एवरीथिंग। दैट्स अबाउट लाइफ, वेदर यू वर्क फॉर एनीबडी, वेदर यू क्रिएट, इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू। So that is the biggest difficulty you have to overcome, and everything else will fall in place. And there are enough people to guide you. You have to reach out. अगर आप एक, जैसे कहते हैं ना, I want to be an entrepreneur, I want help, hundreds of people will reach out to you in the universe.
Thank you, Brent. I think, Deepa, could we have some live questions coming in? By the time we get the live question, I would like to ask you, Vana, Ritika has asked us to you. Many people in village sectors have many ideas, but what steps should be taken to get them on a big platform and identify their talent properly?
Can you please repeat the last line?
So, what are the steps that for them to take to get onto a big platform and identify their talent properly?
Okay, and it's from Pallavi, right?
No, it's Ritika.
Sorry, Ritika. Yeah, so it's a good question, Ritika. So we will be having a lot of ideas, and we think like initially when we are starting with an idea, we need to build it a very big brand, and we look into a very big picture. That's a very good step to start with. But before going into the big picture, so you need to understand, so everybody starts from a small step, the first step. So you need to focus on the first step initially, like you need to identify the right people, very small niche. So these days it is very easy that you identify people on internet. So you do your Facebook ads or Google ads, whatever, you get a very small niche, so you try on them, so you see whether the people are really liking it or not. So once you are succeeded there, so then you think of making it as a big thing. So then there are many other platforms to help you, to push you to become a big person. So you can identify the partners. So such as I told you earlier, there is Niti Aayog, there is VHub, T-Hub is there. So these are all platforms where they are helping small companies turn into big companies. But trust me, only 10% of the companies out of 100, only 10 companies will go that level. But it's not bad that you think that you need to take big, but initially don't take that pressure, don't take that stress. Small, start with small. Okay.
Moderate risk, maybe.
Yeah, because once we start taking that pressure and stress, we will end up okay. So tomorrow I'm not going to big. So today, so it's done. I'm going to close my company. So let's not think like making it a big. Let's think, start with a small thing, and do genuinely whatever you are doing. Be very genuine. So giving the right solution to your customers. Don't hurry into the process. So once you are really doing those things, So as Dream told, universe will be at your back, so it will push you to become to take to the next level. So there are many institutes who are ready to help, but you have to be very genuine in the problem you're solving.
Okay, by the time we get connected to the next audience,
I've got a
Drin, we
few
have a
questions over
question
here.
for you from Aditi. Sir,
No, no, go ahead. I
I
think
could
it's the
hear you,
same
sir.
question that is coming to me too.
Okay. How can we contribute to change the thinking of the society regarding this? Because still most of the people think that it's better to find out a job rather than following our passion.
It's a
To be on the
it's
safer
an
side.
excellent
Don't
question.
they?
Societal, first of all, society, unfortunately, in our context, sometimes we respect, you know, success. We respect white collar jobs more than entrepreneurship. And it is a little historical. You see, we as a country, as a nation, have only been in existence for 75 years. So, as we moved, that our mindsets should change. You started this whole discussion. आपने ये शुरू किया था कि mindset कैसे change होना चाहिए. तो हमारा mindset जो पहले से था कि हमको serve करना चाहिए. We should serve people or we should serve society. We should get into jobs rather than create business. Business is a very dirty thing. You know, if you make money, that means it is illegal. So the first change actually should happen from the top, which is the government has to figure out how to, you know, encourage entrepreneurs. The government also has to help people to say, okay, even if you've made a mistake, it's fine. अगर आपने गलती भी किया है, ठीक है. और आपको इतना मतलब हौसला देना चाहिए. They should give you so much of confidence that even if you fail, it's fine. We will still keep supporting you. So if the societal change happens when you get and show examples, कि individuals who have done well, who have succeeded, they are recognized in society, especially youngsters. आप अगर कोई you take an old guy and you say okay I want to recognize him, that's not the point. Youngsters को अगर आप recognize, आप उनको recognize करेंगे in various platforms, you know, platforms like ours, and say okay we should encourage these guys, then that community will build. Community of entrepreneurship will build, that will grow, and that will take it to the next level. India needs millions of entrepreneurs, and NCC cadets are best suited to be in this. I hope I've been able to answer your question as you wanted.
Cadets will try to become an entrepreneur with your suggestion. 5 questions did not get connected due to some lack of, connectivity. Now, I would request you, जाते जाते हम हमारे participants को भी आप कुछ Vana, you could start and renew.
I think we should ask the audience if they have. I see many questions here, so I think it is a very interesting session. So there are lots of questions, and if somebody from the team can throw these questions to us, it would be interesting. I see one saying many people in village sector have many ideas, but what steps should be taken to get them on a big plan? I think that's already been answered.
Yes, Drin. Is it worthy to drop your study if you are confident enough to become with your own ideas? That is Shatrughan to Drin.
You see, this is a very tough question. एक बहुत ही interesting question है. आप देखें तो you can drop your studies as long as you believe that you can make it up. But as a person who is in this business, you should have plan A and plan B. So plan B में you should ensure that you complete some studies. क्योंकि why do you study? Or why should you study? Why should you go through formal education? आप एक formal education क्यों करते हैं? Formal education ये क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि आपको एक knowledge आता है एक particular subject में, that you take up a particular subject and you learn about it, and that gives you the confidence to take that as a job, as a career forward. It could be entrepreneurship or it could be a job. So when you complete that, one part of your life you have completed. So it is important. There have been in the past, unless you are driven, आपको कोई और चारा नहीं है, you don't have any other options. You know, you have a very big family to support. There is no income at home. आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. Then you are driven to do things like how our great entrepreneurs like Dhirubhai Ambani and everybody else did, you know, to support their families. But by and large, you must complete your education as much as you can and then take up this journey of entrepreneurship. I would suggest that you can do this parallelly, कि आप अपना पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो और इसके ऊपर भी थोड़ा सा आप दिमाग लड़ा रहे हो. So instead of spending time in doing other things, spend time in honing your ideas, and you can do that parallelly. In the evening, you can, you know, do other things. For example, I took up, you know, I was very passionate about photography. So to pursue my photography exploits, I used to take photographs in weddings. So the money I earned out of those weddings during my college, I financed my college studies. And I also used that time to hone myself, which I ended up starting an advertising agency by the time I finished my studies. So it's very important for you to complete studies and then move forward.
Thank you, Drin. Thank you for that insight. Vana, we have a question from Anjali. What are the difficulties faced by women to be an entrepreneur?
That's a good question, Anjali. Being a woman entrepreneur, as I told earlier, so being a man and woman, they have their own hardships. But being a woman, you will get a lot of support from the society. So there are many institutes that really supports you. So I mean, in my personal experience, I hardly faced any issues being a woman entrepreneur. So I hardly faced any issues. So all I see is a lot of support system from the government or from the private sectors and all. So if we really utilize it properly, utilize as in like you need to understand like how you can learn from your network, how you can make your network get more clients or bring in more business and all. So you just have to learn and understand that thing. So network is very important. So all we need to understand is how we need to build good amount of network and how we can double our business through the network that we have. So that is all the thing that we need to learn as a woman entrepreneur, or in fact being an entrepreneur, we need to learn the importance of network and how to utilize it. Go out and speak out. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sure the sort of NCC to become an entrepreneur. So, now we are not able to answer all the questions, but yes, on Wednesday we will be posting a recording of this webinar in YouTube. So you could go find your answers to all your queries. I'm sure some could not be answered due to the lack of time. So I request you to go to Cadet Diaries in YouTube and you will find all the answers. Jate, Vana and Drin, would you like to give some few tips to our viewers?
Yeah, sure, Pallavi. I really enjoyed the discussion and the conversation, and of course, the questions that we got from the viewers. So I really enjoyed everything, and I hope the students got at least one valuable input they can take it forward. So all I would like to say is this is the right time for you guys to invest time into any of your thoughts that you have. So don't think that this is not the right time or this is not the right thing for me. Yeah, so everybody can do anything. If Dhirubhai Ambani did something, even you and I can do the same thing. So it's all about the efforts we need to put in, and we really need to understand whether we like that thing or not. So if you feel like you are born for that, you really like that thing, and you have that some spark in it. So you really do have it. So don't believe what others say. So believe in yourself and try the things that you want to try. This is the right time for you. Trust me. After 10 years or 20 years, you feel like, okay, I would have done that. So try and do things. It's okay even if you succeed, if you fail, doesn't really matter. So they are just a part of the journey. They are not the final conclusion. Okay, life is so much. So it's not like A to B. It's so messy. So get what you get and do the best out of it. So enjoy your time, what you have.
Enjoy your
Enjoy
journey,
your
maybe.
journey.
Thank you, Vana. Drin?
I इसमें ऐसा है कि my young friends, I want to tell them that entrepreneurship is a journey. It's not a destination. ये कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. It continues. Even after you, it continues. You have to decide कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. Do you want to build an institution? Do you want to make money? Do you want to travel the world around? Do you want to give job to people? What do you want to do? And all this actually fall into this. Personally, I tell myself I'm very lucky कि मुझे जितना opportunity मिला, मुझे जितना ideas मिले, all the ideas that I had in my mind, I was able to achieve them. I had lots of ups and many downs. I have made millions and I have lost millions overnight. We have become paupers and started all over again. तो ये जर्नी में आपको ये देखना है कि भाई आपको क्या चाहिए. What do you want? And when you embark in this journey, there is no looking back. आप पीछे मुड़ के मत देखिए कि अरे मैंने क्या खो दिया है, क्या मैं पा सकता था. You're not losing anything, you're not gaining anything, but the thrill that you get as an entrepreneur कि आपका जो आइडिया है, जो आपने सोचा था कि ऐसे मैं बनाऊंगा और उसको मैं आगे लेके आया और लोग उसको अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. The people are really loving what you have brought out. And you have built a new dimension or a new business out of it. That is the thrill of entrepreneurship. And like I keep saying, कि हमारे देश में we need millions of entrepreneurs. All of you must think about entrepreneurship at some point in your time, whether you want to think about it now or you want to think about it later. But give it a shot, क्योंकि जो आपको इस मजा मिलेगा इसमें जिंदगी नहीं मिलेगी दोबारा. आपको एक ही बार मिलता है, तो अगर आप इसको अच्छी तरह यूज करेंगे, यू विल बी सेटिस्फाइड व्हेन यू लुक बैक एट योर लाइफ कि भाई मैंने कुछ किया, मैंने एक अलग सोच से मैंने एक पाथ क्रिएट किया. एक जंगल में मैंने अपना एक लक्ष्य बनाया और एक दक्ष बनाया और आगे चला. और इसी में हर इंडिविजुअल को, वेदर इट इज अ लेडी और इट इज अ गाय, you will have these issues, but when you look back you will say, yes, I made the difference. On that note, I just want to tell you, I have a very big agenda to help people who want to become entrepreneurs. I'm setting up a website called indianprerna.com. Indian Prerna is to see how Indian entrepreneurs can take up ideas and bring it to fruition. तो आप वो वेबसाइट के लिए वेट कीजिए, 1-2 महीने में वो रेडी हो जाएगा. आप लोग आइए और देखिए what you can do, and let's hope amongst you we find a Dhirubhai Ambani or a Kishore Biyani or a Captain Gopinath, and you make this country a great country for all of us. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Drin. That was an excellent note for them before we could leave. Now, before we end this webinar, I would like to thank all our participants, and I would like to conclude in a small way. Starting up your own business, running your own company may be most exciting, rewarding, and positive thing that you have ever done. Don't give up. Follow your heart, your intuition. They somehow know truly what you want to become. It may be bound with challenges, self-doubt, and worries. That's normal. Learning how to embrace the entrepreneurial mindset and cultivate the key characteristics linked to the success will help you build a thriving business. With this note, I would like to say the ships in the harbor are safe, but it is not why the ships are built for, right? Thank you. Thank you, all the viewers. Meet you soon. I'm sure you can see the next webinar. We have it on the September 20th. So I request you to come back to our next webinar. So next webinar is on September 20th.